One internship that I held while at Purdue University was with Federal Signal as an operations manufacturing intern. The company here designed and manufactured alert systems, warning systems for emergency vehicles and offshore gas rigs. My role here was to do a major time study on the paint line operation. This paint line operation time study was the first I had done of its type. However, I excelled at this project and bought myself 3 to 4 weeks at the end of the internship, for which management gave me free rein to pick a project that they thought would advance the manufacturing process. What I chose to do as an additional project at the end of this operations internship was go back to the time study and improve something I saw as a weak spot. An operator at the beginning of the paint line, prior to preparation through stripping of oils and getting just the raw metal ready for paint, was take neatly stacked manufactured parts, then disperse them in a crate for dipping. This was a big area for improvement, as there was downtime. There was a job, a task that was repeated. The manufacturer, the operator who made those parts or who prepared those parts prior, stacked them neatly, traveled with them. The next operator picked them up, stacked them differently, and passed them on. This could be improved with a simple process change, through education of the previous operator on the best way to deliver parts to the next operator in line. So what we did was we designed a cage. I designed a cage, a new cage that fit within the tanks without overflowing the tanks while giving maximum coverage to the maximum number of parts. So we made a bigger cage. We also maximized the space within the cage by using different shelving areas. This cage also fit on a set of wheels. This set of wheels meant that the production operator could have the cage right close to them so that they could fill the cage, then travel to the paint line operator so that that person only had to pick up the cage and dip it in the tanks, rather than receive, disperse, pick, and send. Working in this way also meant that at the end of the paint line, after being dipped in 6 different tanks, more parts went to the next operators in line quicker, more often, and in a fashion that was easier for them to pick up and hang onto the paint line. This reduction in downtime improved the time efficiency by almost 25%. This 25% increased the throughput, reduced any potential downtime, and gave bigger openings for smaller non-value-added tasks like cleaning, preparing, and getting the area ready for the next project if a paint had to be changed, for example.